Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can import header template in your Divi WordPress website. So currently we have a simple header. Now let's go in website dashboard, scroll down and go to Divi library. Now let's click on import. So now let me select the file. So this one, all header layout. And in this template we have multiple header designs. So now let's click on upload and template is imported. So you can get these type of templates from MC starters. So you can search for MC starter Divi templates, then you can go here and you can easily get and download these type of templates. So after that you can go back to the Divi theme builder. You can go from here and then click on add global header, then build global header, and here you can add and remove different type of sections. Plus button and you can select the save layout. Scroll down. So these are the different header designs and you can select and test one by one. So for example, let me go with header 8, then click on use this layout. So now this design is importing. So this is the design. You can also check other designs, then click on save button. Now let's go back and click on save changes. Now let's go and reload the website. So header is added in website.